Hi guys, this is Mithila and welcome back to my channel. This is I think the last video before you guys actually get started with the vlogs and the series and everything that I want to put out there. But basically it's a mini pack with me for the US. This is actually the day I got my bags. So these are my bags right here. If you guys want to know more details on my prep and everything, that vlog is already up. So I'm gonna link that down for you guys. But this is the first time actually that I am laying out all my clothes. I'm gonna pack in two bags because one bag is going with me to Austin and then one is going to New York with my parents, and I'm not gonna get that until I reach New York. तो मेरे को उस हिसाब से पैक करना है. So let me just quickly take you guys through, but also get started with all the stuff. Let me quickly take you guys through everything. Okay, so basically I'm looking forward to pack these two bags and put in all these clothes in these bags. Not all, मतलब जो मुझे genuinely लेके जाने हैं. अब प्रॉब्लम ये है कि मेरे पास न्यूयॉर्क वाला बैग नहीं होगा, so I cannot put clothes in that bag and then want to have them back. And it's not gonna be clothes, it's gonna be footwear and my entire skincare, makeup, and every probably travel pouch as well. So I need to make space for that. Now what I am thinking is that since this bag is a little more expandable, I might take my Austin clothes in this and then I take everything else in the other bag. But I'm not so sure which bag I want to take with me, honestly. But let's just keep this one for now. And I also have this small cabin bag that's going to be with me, obviously. Now I'm also going for a wedding, so the entire thing is that I want to try and fit my and Jay's both wedding clothes in that one tiny bag. So I'm going to try to do that so that Austin जाके वापस इसमें से निकाल के उसमें डालो, transitioning and all of that. And नहीं हुआ तो worst case what we'll do is I and Jay will take only one bag and then dump our clothes in that and go on with it. So that's the plan for now. What I'm gonna do first is just literally push these bags away and I'm gonna start removing all my clothes and I'm gonna sort them out. जो क्लोथ्स मुझे जय के साथ लेके जाने हैं वो मैं अलग से सॉर्ट आउट कर रही हूँ, जो मैं न्यूयॉर्क लेके जा रही हूँ. एंड वंस आई गो टू न्यूयॉर्क ऑब्वियसली आई हैव बोथ द बैग्स, सो इट्स आई कैन वेयर, बट आई डोंट थिंक मेरे को रीवेयर करने का इतना ये मिलेगा अपार्ट फ्रॉम पैंट्स एंड बॉटम्स टॉप. सो आई डोंट थिंक मैं इतना रीवेयर करूँगी, बट इररिस्पेक्टिव ऑल्सो आई एम जस्ट क्विकली गोइंग टू सॉर्ट ऑल ऑफ दैट आउट एंड सी वॉट ऑल आई वॉन्ट टू take with me and figure that out, especially everything that I want to take to Austin. वो तो मैं sure. So I think I will do that off camera because वो बहुत difficult होगा. And once I segregate all the stuff is I will share with you guys मैं क्या क्या लेके जा रही हूँ and कैसे कैसे pack कर रही हूँ. Okay guys, I have finally allocated it and I don't think it's that bad. But problem ये हो रहा है कि मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि मैं सारे कपड़े जय के पास लेके जाऊँ. But I have allocated it differently as to tops, court sets, dresses, court shorts and वैसे वैसे. तो मैं आपको बताती हूँ क्या क्या है. These are basically my kind of jackets and my swimsuits and my court sets which I'm taking to Jay's. Now I have taken one white pant even though I don't need it, but I was just in case I want to wear it. I'm taking one jeans which you guys should be proud of. I'm literally keeping all of it in moderation. I have two pairs of shorts, one blue, one black, which obviously makes sense. And I have this one cute little Donald Duck wala Disney skirt, which is too cute that I have to take it. And because I haven't worn this with him, so I think he will really me wearing this. Then we have a few tops. So this is a classic black shirt in case you're going out to meet friends. I don't want to wear too much because US mein people don't, so it's a plain black shirt. Then I have this I don't know what you call it, but yeah, these tickly wala top just to go. It pairs well with the skirt as well, so in case you're going for a party or something like that. I have this faux leather tube top. Then I have this and this, which are like spaghetti basic tops. Even this goes with this skirt, so मैंने just in case वो लिया है. This red top, which I have taken, it's a crop top. Then it's like a denim corset. This is what I've taken. Then again another spaghetti. I've taken this beautiful off-shoulder red top again for a date night or something like that. Then I've taken very basic, so white tank top, while full sleeves ka top. I've taken like few basic other ones like black and beige tank tops. I've taken one basic like green t-shirt. I don't think I should take this white t-shirt though. And yeah, this like cutish white top that I really like. So these basically I can pair with my pants or like jeans, shorts, skirts, किसी के लिए भी. Okay, so I think tops में I have done a good job. Now I think dresses are something which is too overwhelming. I have taken this dress and I have taken again this sequence वाला. Then now this is a very like basic dress अगर घर में पहनना, you know, because I really like wearing dresses. It's a very cute this thing. Then उसके जैसे ही similar I have taken a very like basic black ribbed t-shirt dress. So ये दो basics के लिए अगर मुझे पहनना है. This is a very like hot and pretty dress, which again I have taken. Then this is a cute romper. Then I've taken like a very like nice party dress which I haven't worn but I really want to wear with him. So I've taken that and a very cute black romper. This is like a spaghetti bodycon dress. This is another nice flowy dress. I think I should remove this one because ये दोनों काफ़ी similar है, तो at least ये तो मैं निकाल देती हूँ. Then this is like a nice flowy summery dress. Then I've taken this romper and then one more bodycon dress, but I still feel like all of this is too much, and maybe this black romper I can shift up here to take to New York. But I don't know, I'll try to fit in the bag. अगर नहीं हुआ then I might take that. And then मैंने एक ही नाइट सूट निकाला. It's like a 3-piece this thing अभी के लिए, because obviously I'm gonna be wearing all of that now. And then यहाँ पे मैंने बहुत basics रखे हैं, because also what is going to happen is once I go to New York I'm not gonna be as waxed. Like मैं यहाँ से waxing करा के जाऊँगी. These are like first world girl problems, but basically क्या होगा is कि नहीं होगा तो I'm taking more longer like sleeved clothes and pants and वैसे, so that I'm fine with that. And also like there I'm gonna be more with family and stuff like that, so I don't want to wear like outfits that are a little too, you know, like not modest, I would say. Like I want to keep those, you know, just out of respect. So I think मैंने वहाँ के लिए those type of clothes लिए हैं. This is like a nice top cut full sleeve like sweater, and ये सारे materials वहाँ पे पहन पाऊँगी. इंडिया में तो of course it's like freaking hot, so I can't. This is again another jumper types. This is a nice cute crop top. This is like a basic black top. Then this nice pink crop top है. This silver वाला tank top है. Then I've taken another green full sleeves और एक full sleeves लिया just in case. I have a satin shirt. Then I have like again basic, so एक pink color का tank top लिया है basic, white top. All these are like basic whites करने के लिए. Then I'm taking pants, so थोड़े घर पे पहनने के लिए भी ले रही हूँ, तो these are full pants. These are pair of jeggings. देन अगेन ये फ्लेयर पैंट्स है, एंड दीज आर ऑल्सो पैंट्स. तो ये बेसिक अगर कहीं आजू बाजू चिल करने जाना है या घर पे ही चिल आउट कर रहे हैं तो वैसे है. एंड देन दीज आर अ फ्यू ड्रेसेस. दिस इज़ लाइक अ वेरी फुल स्लीव्ड लेयर्ड ड्रेस, तो आई थॉट वो मैं पहनूंगी. इट लुक्स वेरी नाइस. अगेन अ बेसिक लाइक लाइम ग्रीन टैंक टॉप वाला ड्रेस, उसके जैसे ही बेसिक है ये सब घर पे पहनने के लिए. दिस इज़ अ नाइस लाइक velvet dress, another maroon dress, then black मैंने लिया in case party wear. This is a very pretty Zara dress, and then this is like a full length dress, and another one is this जो मुझे जय के यहाँ लेके जाना है. अगर हुआ फिट तो मैं लेके जाऊँगी, नहीं हुआ तो ठीक है. These are skirts which I am planning में जय के वहाँ लेके जाऊँ. I'm taking only 2, one black and one white, and then this purple one also, वो भी मैं लेके जाती हूँ. I think this skirt set I might just keep it for New York, but I think yeah, this is overall. So I think I shouldn't like be worried because New York के कपड़े तो काफ़ी कम है, and I still have like so many clothes over there which are pending. काफ़ी कुछ है, so I don't think इतना कुछ problem होना चाहिए for me to pack. So I'm just gonna start putting it in my packing cubes. I'm gonna start with dresses, tops and bottoms and cord sets. ऐसे थोड़ा segregate करती हूँ. मेरे पास packing cubes है, सो उसमें करना स्टार्ट करती हूँ, एंड देन आई विल शो यू गाइज हाउ इट्स ऑल डन. Okay, guys, I am impressed, but I actually ended up packing all my dresses in this, and I think packing cubes are such a savior. अगर मैं इसको ऐसे ही रखती ना तो ये पता नहीं कैसे होता. एंड बेसिकली हाउ आई डिड इट इज, मैंने एक बड़ा सा ड्रेस लिया एंड उसके ऊपर 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 मैं एक एक स्टैकर, एंड देन आई फोल्डेड ऑल ऑफ देम टुगेदर. सो अब मैं जब खोलूँगी ऑब्वियसली जय के घर जाके तो मेरे को लाइक फुल अनरेवल करना पड़ेगा मेरे ड्रेसेस, बट आई थिंक वो बेटर है कि अगर मैं एक पैक करती ना तो आई डोंट थिंक दैट वुड हैव हैपेंड. सो नाउ आई एम रियली हैप्पी, बट नाउ द प्रॉब्लम इज़ कि मेरे पास अभी एक ही ये वाला थोड़ा मीडियम साइज़ का पैकिंग क्यूब है. सो आई एम थिंकिंग कि मैं अपने कॉर्ड सेट्स वगैरह सब इसमें रखूँ, एंड probably that, or I might keep my denims in this, like pants वगैरह सब, denim skirts and shorts, and then I think tops वगैरह I'm gonna add because बाकी के दो, so these are from Miniso by the way if you guys have checked out, but बाकी सब कुछ ऐसे आया है. So I'll have to figure it out, but I'll show you guys. But this I am really impressed, guys. I absolutely cannot believe that I did it. I literally fit all my clothes, and I तो feel कि मैं सारे ही कपड़े ये भी जो निकाले वो भी ले जा पाऊँगी. Like I have so much space. Now the only problem is my lingerie, my inner wear, in the sense like my tights and my camisoles and everything like that I would pair up with these clothes, socks बेसिकली, नैपकिन्स एंड वो सारी चीज़ें बाकी है. गाइज बैग टू ऑल्सो पैक्ड. इसमें तो काफ़ी सारी जगह है आई बिलीव, क्योंकि ये बैग में आई रियलाइज दैट आई हैव टू टेक ऑल माई लाइक फुटवेयर, माई ज्वेलरी, लाइक सारा ज्वेलरी लेके जाऊँगी, सारा मेकअप, स्किन केयर, लाइक एवरीथिंग, बिकॉज ऑब्वियसली मुझे वो रोज़ चाहिए होगा. तो आई थिंक ये बैग भरने में थोड़ी मुश्किल आएगी. माइट रिमूव अ फ्यू क्लोथ्स हियर एंड देयर, बट दिस तो वेंट ऑन वेरी वेरी स्मूथली. मेरे पास बहुत सारी जगह है. सो आई थिंक आई माइट डिवाइड माई नाइट सूट्स, एक आध पेयर यहाँ पे ले जाऊँगी एंड बाकी के पेयर्स यहाँ पे रखूँगी, पैंट्स वगैरह फुल वाले सारे. बट आई थिंक दिस इज़ इट, एंड आई थिंक दिस इज़ वेयर आई एम गोना एंड इट टू नाइट. आई हैव टू डू माई मेकअप which I think I will do the last will be my makeup and everyday essentials kind of thing, because वो तो obviously मुझे चाहिए. मैंने मेरे सारे पैंट्स वगैरह लाइक माई एवरीडे फ्लेयर पैंट्स, लेगिंग्स वगैरह वो सब रखा है. जीन्स के एक आधा पेयर है, दूसरे पैंट्स वगैरह है. तो आई थिंक आई एम गोना स्टिक टू वेयरिंग दीज क्लोथ्स नाउ ऑन अ रेगुलर बेसिस. And yeah, I think maybe tomorrow I might start with my footwear. I'm gonna start with my skincare because वो मेरे पास पूरा ही अलग स्टैश है जो मैं ट्रैवल के लिए यूज़ कर सकती हूँ. तो आई थिंक आई एम गोना स्टार्ट विथ दैट. आई एम गोना स्टार्ट विथ माई सन ग्लासेस, परफ्यूम्स, ज्वेलरी एंड वो सारी चीज़ें आई थिंक आई एम गोना स्टार्ट डूइंग now tomorrow. But yeah, that is it for today. I'll see you guys tomorrow. So this is kind of the last segment of like this video where I'm like prepping for the trip and everything, and then quickly show you guys a few things that I have gotten. First thing this, मैंने Amazon से काफ़ी सारी चीज़ें ऑर्डर की थी. तो उसमें से एक वॉज दिस अडेप्टर्स. आई विल काइंड ऑफ इंसर्ट पिक्चर्स राइट हियर ऑन द स्क्रीन. बेसिकली जो कन्वर्जन के लिए काम आता है, बिकॉज देयर इज़ वोल्टेज डिफरेंसेस हियर एंड यूएस. सो अप्लायंसेस, चार्जर्स वगैरह के लिए यू नीड अडेप्टर्स. तो मैंने वो ऑर्डर किया था. आई विल लिंक ऑल द प्रोडक्ट्स आई हैव टॉक्ड अबाउट इन दिस वीडियो डाउन इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन for you guys to check out. बाकी मैंने ऑर्गेनाइजेशन की काफ़ी सारी चीज़ें ली थी. आई हैव टेकन दीज पैकिंग क्यूब्स फ्रॉम मिनीसो विच वर सो क्यूट. मैंने यूज़ भी आई थिंक दोनों यूज़ कर लिए ऑलरेडी पैकिंग के लिए. अदर थिंग्स आई विल शो यू आर दीज. सो ये मैं मलाड से लेके आई थी. बेसिकली आई वॉन्टेड दीज काइंड ऑफ लाइक ट्रांसपेरेंट पाउचेस फॉर माई ज्वेलरी. सो अंदर लाइक इतने आई थिंक 1 2 3 4 और 5 ट्रांसपेरेंट पाउचेस है टू कीप माई ज्वेलरी. लाइक आई कैन ग्रुप देम, सिल्वर्स एक साथ, इंडियन वेयर वाले एक साथ, एंड देन दिस बिग पाउच ऑफ कोर्स दैट कम्स विद इट. बिंदी वगैरह मैंने लिया था बिकॉज आई एम गोइंग फॉर द वेडिंग. देन आई गॉट दी सेट ऑफ 3 वॉश बैग्स. आई रियली लाइक द कलर एंड ऑल्सो द फैक्ट दैट ये हैंडल के साथ आता है, तो आई कैन कैरी इट. कहीं पे लगाना है तो भी लगा सकते हैं, यू नो, वॉशरूम वगैरह में अगर रेडी हो रहे हैं. So I'm going to try and keep my like makeup, skincare and all that stuff in these wash bags. I have also gotten shoe bags, which actually I should show you because they are really like cheap and interesting. सो आई थिंक 200 रुपीज़ के बैग्स आए थे जो काफ़ी अच्छी क्वालिटी के हैं. आई गॉट दिन दीज फ्रॉम अमेजोन. बट लाइक लुक एट दैट, कितने बड़े हैं. मतलब एक बैग में 2 पेयर ऑफ शूज़ तो आराम से आ सकते हैं. ऐसे 6 बैग्स आए हैं. तो दीज आर सुपर गुड क्वालिटी अगर आपको शूज़ वगैरह पैकिंग के लिए चाहिए तो. देन आई हैड गॉटन दोज मिनी, पता है वो परफ्यूम्स के बॉटल आते हैं वो है. एंड दीज आर अ फ्यू थिंग्स आई एम एक्चुअली टेकिंग फॉर द वेडिंग. अब हम जाएंगे तब आप देख लेना. But I think few things that I'm taking for my friend's wedding, like to gift them basically. Then I think Miniso का थोड़ा सामान है. Let me open it. इसके अंदर थोड़े क्लोथ्स है. So then these are the travel stuff. अगेन थोड़ा Amazon से है, थोड़ा Miniso से है. These basically अगर आपको पता नहीं है, if you want to wash your lingerie, especially like your padded bras, then this is the perfect thing for you to get. इसके अंदर आपको उसको डालना होता है. देन मशीन में धोगे तो बिल्कुल भी ख़राब नहीं होगा. आई हैव बीन यूजिंग वन फॉर ईयर्स बट अभी वो ख़राब हो गया है. तो आई गॉट दिस सेट ऑफ 3 वर फॉर like 400 or something like that. Then of course I got sleeping mask. These are like the clear black ones and these are so soft, so comfortable, fully blackout. I don't like those designer ones. ये black वाला बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. So these are for Miniso. ये I think कितने के थे? 190 rupees. Yeah, so I got 2 of these. Then of course I got these refillable bottles, travel bottles if you want to put your creams, shampoos, face washes वगैरह. छोटे छोटे डिब्बियाँ भी आती है. So one I got a little bigger size. These are smaller ones. They also come with a funnel, which is great. And these come with a lock. The squeezy bottle, pump bottles come with a lock, which is great so it doesn't spill. And then I also got these powder puffs for my makeup. So this is basically most of the things. अभी यहाँ वहाँ कुछ ना कुछ तो मैं लेते ही रहूँगी. वो travel list तो सबका अलग होता है. But this is generically how I have been preparing and collecting stuff. That is it. I would like to make a detailed video of my entire visa process and how I planned the trip and all of that, but I think that I'll do once I am back so that I get a better idea. Okay guys, I am going to pack my skincare and my this thing, I would say my hair care in one. So that's what I'm gonna do. So I think ye pouch is enough, this medium one, for all my skincare stuff. Okay guys, so I sorted everything out. I hope you can see me. अगर cut हो रहा है तो I am super sorry. But basically I'm going to start packing my flight skincare in this travel pouch जो मैं actually अपने backpack में रखूँगी. And you're not allowed to carry bigger this thing in the flight. So I'm just gonna go in with this cute little simple ka face wash. It's such a cutie. So that is my this thing, which is a face wash. Then I'm just gonna go in with a moisturizer. So I'm just thinking I will take this Laneige water sleeping mask. बहुत ही छोटू सा travel size में है. So I'm gonna go in with that. That is going to be my moisturizer. I will need a sunscreen. So I'm taking the plum one. This Joy sunscreen. I really like the texture and everything. I don't know sun protection kitna hai, but just for namesake. I have these travel perfumes with me. So I'm gonna take the Studio West ka London one. I'm just gonna unbox and keep it because ज़्यादा वजन नहीं करना है. And another thing that I need is a lip balm. And actually a travel deodorant. So this is what I'm taking in flight. It's a stick deodorant from Native. US में ही मिलता है. And I'm gonna take a lip balm with me. But मैं जो flight में लूँगी वो मेरे पास अभी नहीं है. But this is basically my flight का essentials bag, skincare का, and basically in general packed. So this is going away. Such a cute packaging. Now let's move on to the major one. So वहाँ पे I'm taking this Lakme का micellar water with me just to remove makeup. Usually I use microfiber, but in case waterproof makeup है नहीं निकल रहा है तो I'm gonna take that. These 2 face washes with me. One is the plum green tea pore one, which I really like, and then I'm gonna try out the Glow Recipes avocado moisture cleanser. I'm of course going to take the Laneige ka cream skin toner, and I'm also taking the Glow Recipe ka pore tightening toner along with me. and I have this Dermaco का 2% salicylic acid serum. So that is what I'm going to take. But ये तो मैं of course unbox करके ही लेके जा रही हूँ. It is a very nice mini bottle. छोटू सा सीरम है, 1 महीना चल जाएगा. And I'm taking morning के लिए my niacinamide dew drops because I use a niacinamide in the morning. Moving on to moisturizers, I have quite a few options. I'm definitely taking the Glow Recipe का Hyaluron Moisturizer. I have a Kiehl's one, I believe, at Jazz, so I'm not gonna take this. And I think I'm just gonna take the Within Beauty का Barrier Boost Hydrating Gel. I'm not gonna take the Laneige, and I'm thinking to take the Kama Ayurveda in case I need like more moisturization, because the Laneige and the Glow Recipe ones are like very lightweight. So I'll take the Kama Ayurveda ka this thing, which is like a Kumkumadi brightening night cream. Ekdam chotu sa hai, like such a cute bottle. So that is what I'm gonna take. I'm gonna take 2 of my favorite lip balms with me. One is of course the Laneige का lip glowy balm जो almost खत्म होने को आया है, and then I have the Dior का lip balm. Those 2 are my lip balms. I'm taking big bottles of sunscreen because obviously, and I cannot transfer these. If you guys think तुम sunscreen को कहीं transfer करके लेके जाओगे, you're losing the SPF properties. Please do not. They're supposed to be in like opaque packaging. So I'm taking my Wishcare sunscreen body lotion, which is almost like इतना सारा बचा हुआ है, and the Dr. Sheth's Kesar Kojic Acid sunscreen. I'm taking only one face sunscreen because मुझे जय के पास वहाँ पे है. And I really like the sunscreen he has, so I'm gonna take that. For my deodorant, of course, I have the Nivea's ka mini roll-on deodorant. I have these 2 shower gels, so I'm thinking let me just take the bigger bottle जहाँ पे भी मुझे चाहिए होगा. Of course, I'm taking my body lotions from the Sol de Janeiro Boom Boom Cream. I have इसका this thing also mist, so I'm of course gonna pair that. I am taking my hair care stuff, which is this Moroccan oil का package. I think इसको ऐसे ही डाल देती हूँ so that कुछ ख़राब ना हो. This shimmer mist है Foxtail से, देखते हैं क्या होता है इससे, कैसे नहीं. And just to be a safer side, मैं body lotion के लिए I'm taking the Nivea's Aloe Hydration body lotion. In case मुझे मन हुआ कुछ और use करने का तो I was thinking the CeraVe moisturizer, but I think I have enough moisturizers to last me quite a while. I might take the Laneige one also अगर space बची तो, but I think yeah, that is pretty much it that I am taking. This is basically my skincare bag that I'm actually going to use on a daily basis. Makeup, I'm gonna start with the basics, which is primers. I'm actually taking 2 mini primers with me. Let me just remove this. I am taking the Lakme Absolute Pore Perfect Primer, which is my absolute favorite. मैं बरसों से इसको use कर रही हूँ. It's so good. I also have the Max Stroke Cream, and I think I'm gonna take a bigger one because ये बहुत ज़्यादा ही छोटा है. So I'm also going to take the Bellora Paris Illuminating Moisturizer in case I need like a glowy dewy base, which I'm doubting because वहाँ पे बहुत ही ज़्यादा गर्मी है, at least in Austin तो I'm not gonna apply a lot of layers of makeup. But yeah, this is what I am taking for primers. I'm gonna actually begin packing my eyeshadow palettes. I'm taking 4. One is this Colorboard Beauty Glaze. So basically इसमें सारे ही colors है. And I have my mattes, shimmers and glitters as well, pressed glitters. So बहुत सारे colors है. I can create beautiful playful looks. Similarly, I have this one, which is the Makeup Revolution एक Patricia eyeshadow palette, Petra XOXO. I think I should skip on this one. इसका कुछ भी काम नहीं है, basics orange है. And I'm just gonna take this one because I really like it. This is the Forever Flawless palette. इसमें से this shade is my absolute favorite. It's a beautiful pink shade. So these are the 3 eyeshadow palettes that I am actually taking with me. Then of course we are going to add our primers right here. Then moving on to concealers, I'm taking two because I already have a few makeup products there, so I'm not going to stock up too much. I'm taking this pack take cover concealer. I'm in the shade butterscotch. This is my exact skin match, so that is what I'm taking. I'm taking the Huda Beauty concealer just because मुझे ये finish करना है and मैं वहाँ पे बहुत सारा makeup लगाने वाली हूँ, तो दिस इज़ नॉट माई शेड एक्चुअली. इट्स 4.3 एंड कुकी डो. ये थोड़ा सा लाइट पड़ता है मेरे लिए. इट्स वेरी लाइक न्यूट्रलिश अंडरटोन, से बहुत लाइट लगता है मेरे पे, तो मे बी जस्ट एज अ हाईलाइटिंग कंसीलर हियर एंड देयर. So those are the concealers that I am taking. Then for my base, I am taking only and only one product, which is the Smashbox Halo Tinted Moisturizer. I absolutely love this product so much. I love how it makes my skin look, how it stays on my skin, the finish, everything so easy to work around. I don't want to put too much hassle into makeup, so this is what I'm carrying. full size का product मैंने US से लिया था 50% off पे, and I am in the shade light medium. medium या light medium दोनों चल जाता है मेरे लिए, but since in India I use light medium, India में बहुत कम shades है, तो I just got a shade that I've tried and tested, and this one works for me. कभी कभी if I'm tanned then this might look lighter, but I can make it work around. Then I have this Ulta Beauty का tinted eye primer, so I thought let me just take this with me. Moving on to blushes and everything, I'm taking 3 blushes with me, 3 different shades. 2 I'm taking from Rare Beauty. I have the shade Believe and Happy. This is a more very like earthy toned blush. It's a very bubbly pink blush. And then I'm also taking the Face Shop ka Water Fit tint. I have it in the shade Rose Pink, which is a very nice reddish like pinky toned blush and tint, and I really enjoy using this one. आप देख सकते हो काफ़ी मैंने यूज़ कर चुका है. सो दिस इज़ व्हाट आई एम गोइंग टू टेक विथ मी. आई ऑल्सो पैक्ड अ फ्यू टिंट्स इन माई एयरपोर्ट airplane wala pouch. So I put 2 of my favorite tints, which are the Etude House fixing tints with me. I also put the NYX Fat Lip Oil. I have the shade Mist Call with me, which is a pink tinted oil. So these 2 are going with me in flight because obviously I need to look pretty. And I think I'm just gonna drop in a mascara in here as well. I'm just gonna add my Too Faced mascara in this one, just to finish it up in case I need any more makeup with me. Moving on, I am actually very disappointed in powder products because I want to take my full sized products, meaning I want to take my Rimmel bronzer and my other powder highlighters, but the only point with powdered products, especially when they are alone, is that they have a tendency to break because obviously bags तो लोग एयरपोर्ट पे फेंकते हैं तो टूट जाएगा. That's why I really love these sugar products. I have the mini bronzer which is almost about to be done, so I think I can make good use of this, especially in summers. It's a very beautiful summery shade. And I have this highlighter which is a very nice champagne color, and these come with magnetic packaging. They are latched inside, so ये बिल्कुल भी नहीं टूटेंगे. मैं try and test कर चुकी हूँ इनको. So this is what I'm taking. For my powders, I'm taking minis again. I'm taking the Morphe Mini Bacon Set, and I have the PAC translucent powder. I have the shade Banana HD powder. Let's move on to eye products because वही last है. I'm taking 2 eyeliners. This is the Urban Decay का Inks eyeliner, which is a very nice sketch pen. In case you want like precise wings, and this is a basic black eyeliner from Lakme. Really like it. Works beautifully for me. So those 2 eyeliners I'm taking. And I'm gonna take my like eye pencil. So I have this Sugar plain black kajal. I have the same one in green color. Then I'm taking like this Sephora का light bluish, and this is the dark blue. I really love these. ये मेरे को इतना अच्छा actually नहीं लगा. This is the Nykaa का something I believe. I really like the Sugar का formula, and Sephora is so like too good. I'm gonna buy more of these from there. Actually, you know what? I think I should buy a Sephora kajal. And I should not take my kajal pencil, but this is the Benefit Bad Girl Bang Mascara, and I really love that you get a lot of minis over there also shop करने के लिए. तो ये काफ़ी काम आता है travel के time पे mini products. ज़्यादा वजन भी नहीं आता, you can get more options. So I'm taking the Benefit Bad Girl Bang Mascara, and I'm taking 2 setting sprays, even though I have one Charlotte Tilbury over there. Charlotte Tilbury is long lasting, but it makes your skin very dewy, and combined with that Smashbox tinted moisturizer. I don't know if it's gonna fit that well, so I'm taking the MAC Fix Plus for everyday use, and I'm also taking the Urban Decay All Nighter. This is a completely matte setting spray, so if I want to like lock in my makeup when I'm going outdoors, I think I'm gonna go in for this one. ये भी काफ़ी अच्छा ट्रैवल पैकेज है. It comes with a double lock system. ये एक कवर तो है, उसके ऊपर भी और एक कवर है, which I really like. So that is what I'm going in. And tools में I'm gonna take my brushes and that should be it, but I'm gonna pack that later on because अभी मुझे चाहिए, अभी जितने दिन हूँ तो थोड़ा मैं बाहर जा रही हूँ तो उसके लिए. एंड ब्यूटी ब्लेंडर्स एंड सब मैंने वहाँ पे नया मंगाया हुआ है ऑलरेडी, तो मैं वही यूज़ करूँगी. आई एम जस्ट टेकिंग दीज 2 पाउडर पफ्स फ्रॉम मिनीसो एंड या दैट इज़ इट. दिस इज़ माई एंटायर मेकअप बैग पैक. अब मुझे अगर वेडिंग के लिए चाहिए मैं इसमें से ही निकाल के दूसरे पाउच में लेके जाऊँगी, बट दिस इज़ माई एंटायर मेकअप बैग. व्हाट इज़ लेफ्ट आर ब्रशेज एंड लिपस्टिक्स which I'm gonna pack in a separate bag. So इसमें ना थोड़े हैं which is so cute. This was actually gifted to me by Jay. If you guys wanna know, this is basically Harry Potter themed makeup brushes which are so cool. The quality is super good, very heavy. They come in different shapes of wands and बहुत सारे 4-5 brushes है. So since I'm going there and I haven't used them yet, I think this is the perfect time to use them. सो ये मैं ब्रशेस लेके जा रही हूँ, थोड़े मेरे फेस ब्रशेस लेके जाऊँगी लाइक फॉर माई पाउडर, माई ब्लश एंड एवरीथिंग. एंड माई लिपस्टिक्स, आई एम गोना टेक अ लॉट ऑफ लिपस्टिक्स. आई बेट यू कैन कीप दैट इन माइंड. सो लिपस्टिक्स के लिए एंड लिप लाइनर्स लेने हैं तो आई थिंक वो मैं ऐड करूँगी, बट दैट आई थिंक आई एम गोना कीप टू दिस पाउच और प्रॉब्ली आई कैन टेक अ बिगर वन. लेट्स सी जैसे मुझे ज़रूरत पड़े. बट या बेसिकली दैट इज़ इट. सो इसमें मैं बाकी का सामान रखूँगी. आई डोंट वांट टू क्लब इट बिकॉज वो बहुत क्लटर हो जाएगा. So this is all my base products, face products, and then my lipsticks and tools are going to be in this. I think I can shift the tool or whatever. But yeah, that is what I have packed till now. Okay guys, wedding outfit trials हो रहा है because मेरा main wedding outfit आ गया है. तो this is my haldi outfit. I'm keeping it very simple. It's this nice flowy लखनवी कुर्ता and I'm wearing white leggings. क्योंकि गंदा होगा ना तो फिर मुझे मेरे अच्छे कपड़ों पे तो बिल्कुल नहीं चलेगा. I have a very beautiful outfit. बट आई डोंट वांट टू स्पॉइल इट एंड वो हल्दी में होता ही है. तो अभी इसके साथ आई एम गोना ट्राई एंड पेयर लाइक सिल्वर ज्वेलरी, ऑब्वियसली झुमकीज़ एंड ऑल देखती हूँ. बाकी दूसरे सारे आउटफिट्स मैंने ट्राई कर लिए हैं फॉर संगीत, मेहंदी एंड ऑल. एंड आई वांट टू शो यू गाइस, तब भी लाइक गेट रेडी विथ मी वगैरह करूँगी तो. बट दिस इज़ वन आउटफिट दैट आई एम शेयरिंग विथ यू गाइस. तो ये सारे मेरे छोटे कैबिन बैग में जाएगा. होपफुली इट ऑल फिट्स. What I want to start packing with is my hair tools, hair accessories and all of that. My blow dryer, my straightener, वो सारी चीज़ें भी मुझे लेनी है. ये मैं ऐसे रफली पैक कर रही हूँ. देन लेटर ऑन इफ़ आई वांट टू ऐड और सब्ट्रैक्ट थिंग्स आई कैन स्टिल डू दैट बिकॉज दीज आर ईजियर. सो लेट मी जस्ट क्विकली set you guys up here so you guys can also have a look on what exactly I am packing. Let me just zoom you in and yeah, I think we should be able to manage this together. So let's get to packing. मैं खाली ऐसे ही डाल के वेट कर रही हूँ. So now this is supposed to be my makeup. Okay, my makeup's right here. This is my skincare pouch. इसके अलावा और क्या डालना है? शूज़ डालने हैं. शूज़ मैंने पैक करके रखे हैं. मेरे एक ही बैग में 3 शूज़ आ गए. सो दिस इज़ हाउ इट लुक्स लाइक. दीज बैग्स आर रियली गुड क्वालिटी. तो मैंने एक पर्ल वाले हील्स लिए, एक ब्लैक हील्स लिए. आई हैव टेकन 1 पेयर ऑफ फ्लैट्स एंड आई एम गोना बी वेयरिंग शूज़. So I think at least ऑस्टिन के लिए तो this is more than enough. So these are basically my shoes. Now I need to pack in my sunglasses. So let me quickly do that. I'll show you guys which ones I'm carrying. Okay, this is my first pair of sunglasses. Yellowish दिख रहा है but white border है. This is my second pair, basic black cat eyes. And these are my favorite pair. These are like heart shaped. These are John Jacobs. Like I have spent a lot of money. These are my most expensive sunglasses, but I'm gonna pack them. And I have this cute little case. So I'll show you how this works. Is basically तुम एक sunglass डालो इसमें, okay, and then it turns into this compact pouch basically. This is not shutting down. Basically turns into this compact pouch, and this is what it looks like that is so cute, so classy. And yeah, these are where my sunglasses will go. And yeah, there was a lot of packing and a lot of things to get through, but I think that was the basic gist of how I pack my bags. And then a lot of other stuff I put in the bag that I was taking to New York, like gifts and a lot more food items that I wanted to give to people. I hope you guys enjoyed and you liked a few tips and tricks and things that I put in. I will try to link down a few products that I have mentioned in the description for you guys to check out, so make sure you see that. And I will see you guys in my next video. We are going to be starting with the US vlogs from now on, so stay tuned and subscribe if you haven't. Bye.